In this video, I'll show you how to prioritize a certain download over another one on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're downloading multiple games at the same time, but you want one to finish first, you want that one to download before anything else, well, it's very easy. So over here I have two games that are currently downloading. This one has started, as you see, it's almost done. And the one on the left side didn't even started because this one is downloading. What if I want the first game to finish downloading first? So I will select the game I want to prioritize and keep your finger tap on it, keep your finger press on the game until you get these options. Select download options, and the first option should be download this software first, because we want to give this priority. So I'll click here, it will get a check mark, simply go back, click close, and now this download will stop while this other download will start because it has priority over anything else. I really wish Nintendo will give a pause and resume button to pause the downloads. It's, I think, more intuitive this way, but hey, this is the only thing we get and this is how you can use it. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.